Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be very important, especially if you're using an iPhone that's stuck on an iCloud lock. Many people think once an iPhone is iCloud locked, it's completely useless, but that's not always true. In this video, I'm going to talk about a 2026 updated approach related to iCloud unlocking that a lot of people are asking about right now. This update has changed many things, and most old methods no longer work. So if you're watching outdated videos or trying old tricks, you're probably wasting your time. I've seen hundreds of comments from users saying, "My iPhone is locked. Is there any solution, or Apple ID forgotten? What can I do now?" If you're one of them, make sure you watch this video till the end, because missing even one part can cost you the full idea. I'll also explain what really works and what doesn't in 2026, and why many videos on YouTube are misleading people just for views. This is not a fake promise video, and I'm not here to waste your time. Before we start, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I regularly upload videos related to iPhone fixes, locks, and system issues. Alright, let's get started, and let me show you what you need to understand about iCloud Lock in 2026.